Right, and how to delete a Google account using your Gmail. Now just come here, type in your Gmail address for whichever of your accounts. Let's select this to be deleted. Enter your password. Come here, go to manage your Google account, go to data and personalization, and just go straight down to this place where you see download, delete, or make a plan. Go to delete your account, and then you have to sign in again to verify that you're the one and not someone else trying to access your account. If you want to download your information before deleting, maybe you received some pictures, videos, whatever data, you can click on here to download it. But I don't have anything, I only have this conversation, and that can be deleted. So I click on these two things and delete account. See, actually I have a 2 weeks grace period where I can just go to account support and follow the steps to collect the account. But if not, that's it guys, the account has been deleted. Okay guys, make sure you check out my other videos. I have on how to create a logo, how to create a YouTube channel, on how to claim $100 free advertising credit from Google guys. The steps on how to do it is on this channel, so make sure you check them out. Have a wonderful day guys. Make sure you check out my other videos. Make sure you subscribe and give this video a thumbs up.